The Ugly Duckling. Once upon a time, on a farm, there was a mother duck. She had a nest full of eggs. One by one, the eggs hatched, and out came little yellow ducklings. But there was one big egg that took a long time to hatch. When it finally did, a strange-looking duckling came out. It was bigger than the others and had gray feathers. The other ducklings and animals on the farm laughed at it and said, "You are so ugly! You don't look like us." The poor, ugly duckling felt very sad and lonely. One day, it decided to leave the farm to find a place where it could be accepted. It walked and walked, crossing forests and streams. It met many animals, but they all made fun of its looks. Winter came, and the ugly duckling was cold and hungry. It nearly froze in the icy weather. But the ugly duckling didn't give up. It kept on going. When spring came, the ugly duckling saw a group of beautiful white birds in a pond. They were swans. The ugly duckling wanted to be with them, but was afraid they would reject it. To its surprise, when it got closer, the swans welcomed it. The ugly duckling looked into the water and saw its own reflection. It was no longer an ugly gray duckling, but a beautiful white swan. It was so happy and finally found a place where it belonged.